Hi, this is our Raspberry Pi Bluetooth speaker setup. We have got the Raspberry Pi and its power source, and we've got the speaker that is connected to the Pi's 3.5 audio jack through an aux cable. This is our circuit setup. We've got a momentary push button that connects the 11th board pin of a Raspberry Pi to its ground, so that whenever you press this button, it actually triggers an ISR in the Python program, and that ISR actually the function in the ISR waits for any other device to give request so that it can connect to that device and then trust the device. Now trusting is very important because once you trust a device, the MAC address of the device gets stored in Raspberry Pi. So whenever that device tries to connect again, it gets connected without any interruption whatsoever. So a device that gets connected to the Pi through Bluetooth, in our case this mobile, acts as the audio source, and any other device that gets that is connected to the Raspberry Pi's 3.5 audio jack acts as the audio sink. So in our case, this speaker. So what happens is this mobile acts as the audio sink, and this audio source, and this speaker is going to act as the audio sink. So we'll try to pair both of these devices. You don't see anything in the available devices because this is not in the discoverable mode. Now we'll press this button, so Raspberry Pi Bluetooth gets to the mode of discoverability, actually the pairing mode.